Hello everyone, this is Tolis, Yammy Licks. Today's topic is that we will learn to play a major scale regardless of the key all over the guitar neck, no more than a week. How we'll do that? Let's see step by step. Any major scale in all 12 keys all over the guitar neck. Now if you think that this is something difficult, stay tuned and you see it's very easy to do. Also further on up the road we will realize that it's much more than this, but this is a subject for an upcoming video. Let's get started. Well, assuming that we all know what is the guitar neck position, what it means, and what is the major scale construction, let's get started by choosing the second position on the guitar neck and apply our method. We need 5 keys to do that. That means 5 scale fingerings. Now, each one of those notes is going to be our starting point for our 5 fingerings, which is a type of gauge system, of course. Now, the first one is the C major scale second position, and we play the notes on the position, and sometimes we won't finish the scale. For example, we won't change position to finish the scale, okay? We play as much notes as exist in this area of the guitar, the second position. Second scale I have to learn is G major scale second position. Now let's move. Third scale is going to be the D major scale. So far we have C major, G major, D major. We need one more, the A. And last one, it's the F major scale. It's the popular 3 notes per string scale, which is Now let's recap a little bit and try to play all 5 fingerings for you. C major, G major, D major, A major, and F major. Second step, choose one G note and apply those five figurings all over the guitar neck by starting point of this note. For example, I choose only the C note for now, and let's see what's going to happen. C major with the A major figuring, C major with the G major figuring, and C major with the F major figuring. And from the same note, the C, the D type figuring. Now, here I won't do it because here is the open strings. I don't want to involve open strings on this type of method. So this is the second step I will take. I will try one root. Let's say, for example, let's pick up F sharp note, all right? The third step I will do after this one, after I will apply the five figurings all over the guitar, because this is the conclusions. This is the conclusion what I want really to do with those five figurings. I will try to create what I call larger units. For example, uh, two figurings, connecting two figurings, connecting three figurings, and not all five together. For example, let's take the F major scale on the fifth position here, which is comes as D major and as C major. So now I'm thinking all of these from the fifth fret to the here where I end up to the 10th fret. I will think it as one larger unit, and I will try to connect them from any string, any note, backwards or forward. Let's play them first. Now let's take it from the sixth string. And so on. With these larger units now, I will try to improvise, and I will try to stay as much as possible more correct in my figurings. For example, let's start from I just played like a kid with a toy now. Triads. The triads are part of the scales. So sometimes I use another pictures, triadic pictures inside these figurings. For example, let's lay I enjoy myself only by playing the larger units and the big picture. For example, let's say I have the F, right? So that was it for today. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you want to like, subscribe, or whatever, leave it up to you. This is don't end here, right? It is much more in this subject, what we learned in this week. And if you want me to continue on this subject and expand it, just leave a comment down below. Okay? See you soon. Keep safe. Have a nice day.